Hello everyone, here I am with another video about noun clauses. In this video, we will learn how to reduce noun clauses, how to change noun clauses into noun phrases. Let's begin. When we want to reduce a noun clause to a noun phrase, we simply omit the subject and the modal verb from the clause, and then we add to instead. Look at the example. We haven't decided when we should leave. We is the subject, should is the modal verb. So I should omit them from the main clause, the noun clause that I have. And now I can reduce it to a noun phrase. I can use to instead of we and should. I can say we haven't decided when to leave. Let's do some exercises. Here you're going to substitute this phrase what to do with the following words. You can pause the video, say the sentences out loud, and then check with me and see if you have responded correctly. The frame is this: have you made up your mind about your trip? Not really, I haven't decided what to do yet. The main noun clause was something like this: I haven't decided what I should do yet. So I and should are omitted, and then we added to instead. Let's substitute this exercise, this part. I haven't decided what to do. To buy. Okay. I haven't decided what to buy. To study. I haven't decided what to study. Where? I haven't decided where to study. To go. I haven't decided where to go. To stop. I haven't decided where to stop. How many times? I haven't decided how many times to stop. To ask. I haven't decided how many times to ask. Who? I haven't decided who to ask. What? I haven't decided what to ask. To do. I haven't decided what to do. As you see, this one is very easy. So in order to reduce the noun clause, as I said, we just omit the subject and modal verb from the sentence, and then we add to instead. Look at the examples. We are going to reduce these clauses. I don't know where I can park my car. I is the subject, can is the modal verb. So I omit them from the noun clause, and I have this reduced noun clause here. I don't know where to park my car. She doesn't know how she should spend her money. She and should. She is the subject, should is the modal verb. So I should omit them from the sentence, and then I can add to and have the reduced noun clause. She doesn't know how to spend her money. You can pause the video, do this exercise, then check with me. Okay, number 1. I don't know where I can buy meat. Subject, I can, modal verb. I omit them from the sentence, then we get something like this: I don't know where to buy meat. Number 2. She can't decide what she should wear to the party. She is the subject in the noun clause, and should is the modal verb. So I omit them, and then I add to instead, and I get something like this: she can't decide what to wear to the party. Number 3. They couldn't remember how long they had to wait. In the noun clause, they is the subject, had to is the modal verb. So we omit them, and then we have this reduced noun clause: they couldn't remember how long to wait. Number 4. Anne wants to know how much tea she should buy. In the noun clause, she is the subject, should is the modal verb. We omit them. And we have this reduced noun clause: Anne wants to know how much tea to buy. Number 5. Ricky didn't know where he could get a map of the city. In a noun clause, subject is he, could is the modal verb. We omit them, and the reduced noun clause is something like this. Ricky didn't know where to get a map of the city. Thank you for watching this video. As you see, this video was a short one. I hope you liked the video. If you found it useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And please stay tuned for more tips on grammar. And if you have any requests about any grammar structures, you can write it in the comment section and I can make a video for you. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.